students. Now we have completed the 13th week of this MOOC course on solid and hazardous waste management. In 13th week, we studied a total of 2 modules. First module was on mechanical biological treatment of mixed solid waste. You know, handling of mixed solid waste is a very serious issue. There is no single technology, there is no single technical option is available by which mixed waste can be handled. But by making the use of mechanical biological treatment, we can handle the mixed waste. You studied that in this module that mechanical biological treatment is having 2 components. First component is a mechanical process. That mechanical process is used for the segregation of waste. In the mechanical process, we can remove the recyclable and non-recyclable materials. The second component is a biological process. That biological process may be a compost production, vermicompost production or biogas generation process. And in the biological component or biological process, we can manage the biodegradable components of the solid waste. In the second module, that is on the recent advances in solid waste management, you studied different advancements which are going on at global level with respect to the solid waste management. In that module, you studied that what kind of new systems are coming for the waste collection, waste transfer, and what new technologies are coming for the waste management. I hope you enjoyed both the modules. This week was the last week of this MOOC course. In this MOOC course, a total of 40 modules have been given to you. The content, reading material, additional reading material, as well as videos of all the 40 modules have been provided to you. Along with that, assignments and some self-assessment tests were also given to you. The exam of this will be held soon, so prepare for your exam. Thank you.